And well, that's a Kenya Boys Choir making sure that you know it's Christmas time. It's a countdown now to Christmas. And in case you're joining us now, well, we are looking at Christmas decor that can help you just enhance your Christmas feeling. And we want to make what Henrietta has told me is the Christmas
terrarium.
Terrarium. That's the one. I need to get the words right. So Christmas terrarium. And well, take it away. How do we do this?
All right, so we'll begin. This is, let me just take you through what is here.
Okay.
To create the terrarium, you need clear glass vases, as we have there already.
Here's one.
We need battery-operated lights.
These lights are easily available?
They are,
okay.
Yeah,
all right.
from the supermarkets. And the batteries are already in there. We need a few Christmas decorations, and this is where the simple ideas, the simple, elegant ideas come in. Because you see the amount of stuff that we need to create a terrarium. This is actually what we're going to be creating.
Is one we prepared earlier?
Yes, this is what we're
prepared earlier.
That's what we're going to be preparing. Okay. So I have this sort of like snow. I like to call it white snow. It's also readily available here, well, in your local supermarkets or whatever. You can just go in and have a look.
When you're going to buy it, what do you ask for? Do you ask for snow?
Okay,
I'd like to have some snow. Can I have some, please?
Well, they are in the sections for...
snow?
Not snow.
Okay, just checking.
Christmas decorations. Okay. They're actually there.
All right.
Yeah. So
and does it come like in a pack? I'm just trying. You know, honestly, I'm those kind of guys. When you're shopping, you literally go with a list. If it's written milk, you buy milk. So I've never seen this thing.
Well, they do come in a pack. And just go to the section where they have Christmas ornaments, and you will see
You'll find them. All right, let's carry on.
Yeah. Okay. So now, what we're going to do, I'm gonna let you pour just a little bit of it inside there. Just a little.
I'll just.
Okay. Let me do mine first, and then you can get a little bit messy. Your nice suit will be spoiled.
Well, not to worry. I'm sure we can dust it off.
Yeah. So you just need to place.
It looks very snowy.
Yes, it is. So just put a little bit of it inside there.
All right. Now, I'm a guy, and guys, I'll warn you that this is definitely not something that...
okay, that's
tell me
enough.
when it's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Okay.
So,
that's fine.
Yeah. Now we're going to open up our...
And just for the records, it's not cold. It is actually just fluffy stuff. I wonder what it's made from. But that's just the guy in me.
Okay, now to open your...
My lights?
Yeah, your lights, yeah.
This is the part where the boy in me jumps out and, you know, can't wait to open up the lights and see how they work.
Okay, fine. Now, just there's a little kind of knob there.
A switch, yeah.
Yeah, so...
Ooh, and they go on.
Yeah, Christmas already. So what you need to do is just like, the part where the lights are not showing, so you need to just wrap it just a little bit, and then you just place it inside the vase, just like so.
It's wrapped, and place it on top, or do I cover it?
Yes, because what we don't want is for the lights to be seen from underneath.
At the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom. That's why we place the snow first.
Okay.
All right, cool. So next thing we're gonna add, we're gonna add more snow into it.
Okay.
Yeah, now to cover the battery completely.
Ah, no wonder we put Kidogo first. I was wondering how this is there, because this would be an ISO.
Yeah.
All right.
So there you go.
So this is how they do these little things in there. So I'm gonna cover my batteries here, just like you did.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the amount I put in doesn't really matter.
Don't put so much.
Is that enough?
I think that's enough. That is enough. That's so
cool. All right.
Okay, cool. You're doing very well, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you. It's definitely the first time I'm ever doing anything to do with Christmas decor. All right.
All right, so cool. Now we're going to insert just the little Christmas items that we have here. We can start with this little sort of like tree-looking thing.
Just plant them in there?
Yeah, but because it's a little bit tall, you can just, you know, when you're doing a DIY, do-it-yourself decor, you need to come up with techniques that, you know...
Make it look the way you want it.
Yeah. Okay. So just fold it up a bit. Just and push it in there. Yeah, plant it inside. Yeah. Because I was telling you earlier, the terrariums are meant to look like gardens or forests.
Okay.
Yeah. So the plants are just planted in vases, just like this, and yeah, that's what makes them.
That's basically what we're trying to create.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to make.
We're almost out of time.
But now this is the Christmas thing, the Christmas one, yeah.
Okay,
so just go ahead and
one of these. And I can plant it there.
Yeah. Can add a little of the pine cones there.
Pine cones.
Pine
okay.
cones, yeah.
Super.
What do you have? There you go.
Let me see.
You can add
I just
this
plant
one.
them anywhere?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's looking really nice. Really, really nice.
Thank you.
I think that's enough. We don't want to place so much of it inside. And now you just swirl the Christmas lights inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Director is on my case. We need to wind up. But as we do that, if I needed to get in touch with Black Tie Events, how do I do that?
We are at Commodore Office Suites in Kilimani area, second floor, room 2E. Give us a call. Yes.
And you mentioned you have a YouTube channel. What
we
is
have
it called?
a YouTube channel, Design with Henrietta.
Okay.
I have so many decorative ideas that you can find in there. Log on to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment, share. Yes.
I hate to praise myself, but I think my deco doesn't look too bad.
Oh, it's pretty, pretty nice. I love it.
All right, Henrietta, we'll have to wind up there because of time, but there you go. So if you'd like to get your office, your house spruced up, make sure that you subscribe onto our YouTube channel. And thank you very much. Closing comments?
Well, it was good to be here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah,
it was a pleasure having you as well. So that's where we're going to wind up the show this morning, but we'll finish off with the Kenya Boys Choir. And well, at this point in time, in case you're traveling, we want to take this opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous, Happy New Year. For now, we say goodbye and do stay with us right here on KTN News. We've got more news and reviews coming up.